Senate even started there sa House of Representatives. Truth ba yun? Hindi. Kasi wala naman ka makikitang truth because the truth is God. And if there's no truth, then what? There will be no set you free. Truth will set you free. Pangalawa, is it fair to all concerned? The whole thing is not fair because it's wasting a lot of money, a lot of time. Number 3, will it build better friendship? How can it build better friendship? It has been a divisive move. Why? Oh, bakit si Sarah lang? Bakit yung iba wala? Then last but not the least, will it give common benefit? Anong common benefit? Walang common benefit dyan. Lahat ay hindi benefit kung hindi damnation, disservice to our country. So, at the end of the day, balik ko yung teorya ko. Hinto na, ama na, sara na, sara na.